Hello friends! Welcome back to Quiz Unicorn! Today, it's time to put your animal knowledge to the test with How well do you know animals? A general knowledge trivia quiz. There are 60 fun questions, and you have only 10 seconds to answer each one. So stay sharp, trust in your instincts, and see how many you can get right. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Quiz Unicorn, and let the challenge begin! First question. Which animal is famous for changing its color? You got it! A chameleon! They can change color to blend into their surroundings. Next up, which animal has 8 arms? Easy one! Octopus! What land animal has the most powerful bite? That's right, hippopotamus! Its bite is incredibly powerful. Cozy answer! Sea otter! Think fast and give your answer! That's a giraffe! Its heart works really hard to pump blood up its long neck. Would you rather have a giraffe's super long neck forever? Or like this video and comment your favorite animal? Which animal is known for building dams? Nice one! A beaver! Believe it or not, it's a catfish! Blue blood? Yup, this animal really has it. Can you spot it? Amazing! Octopus! Its blood is blue because of a special protein. Can you find the world's tiniest mammal? Tiny but mighty, bumblebee bat. Which animal moves the slowest? Slow and steady, the sloth. Whose eyes are actually bigger than its brain? That would be the ostrich. Look carefully. Which one is different? Bullseye! You found that sneaky odd one out. No water for a long time? Which animal is built for that challenge? You nailed it! The kangaroo rat! Boom! It's the mantis shrimp! Which animal has to eat with its head tilted upside down? Strange but true, the flamingo! Who's the clever bird that can figure out tricky problems? Very clever! It's a crow! That's right, the horse! Which animal spends a huge part of the day doing absolutely nothing but sleeping? The koala bear, a sleep champion. Keep your eyes open. Memorize every animal's spot. Now, do you know which two animals secretly swapped places? That's right! You found them! Which is the most venomous animal in the world? Yep, it's the jellyfish! In this animal family, Dad is the one carrying the babies. Who is it? Amazing! It's the seahorse! That's a snail! Watch out! Which one does not have any blood? It's the starfish. Which animal could win the award for the longest life? That's the tortoise. Some of them can live for well over 100 years. Time for a knowledge test. Do you know which animal uses a pebble to propose? You're right! The correct answer is A, a penguin. Which animal can eat up to 3,000 times a day? Wow! Seahorse! They can eat tiny meals again and again throughout the day. Which one can fly backwards? You got it! Hummingbird! Rectangular pupils? That sounds pretty strange. Which animal has them? Great choice! The goat! Which animal can breathe through its skin? Correct! The frog! Which animal can sniff out things from an incredible distance? Incredible! It's the bear! That is an armadillo. They curl up when threatened. Ready for an eye test? 3 sneaky differences are hiding in these pictures. Can you find them all? Time's up! Here come the answers. Which one can lift many times its own weight? Tiny but strong, the ant. Which animal would you expect to hear howling at night? You heard it right! It's a wolf! lobster, or spider? Which one has more legs? Count them carefully. The lobster. Which animal has black skin underneath its fur? Surprising, right? Polar bears. Their skin is actually black under their fur. Which animal prefers having its own space instead of living in a group? That would be the tiger. Tigers are mostly solitary animals. There are some tigers hiding somewhere in this jungle. Look closely. Can you find them all before time runs out? Here you go. There are 5 tigers. Three hearts in one body? Which animal does this describe? Amazing! The octopus! Which tiny insect can make an unbelievably loud noise? You better turn down the volume. It's a cicada. Which underwater creature packs a dangerous punch of poison? Be careful, it's the pufferfish. Which bird can fly almost silently? That's right, an owl. Their special feathers help reduce noise. Excellent! It's an elephant. Which bird is famous for finding its way back home? That's right, the pigeon. Can you help the pigeon find the right way to deliver the letter? Yahoo! You found it! Who has built-in snack pockets right inside of their cheeks? Aww, it's a hamster! Which animal would you definitely smell before you saw it? Uh-oh, a skunk! Ready, set, go! That's an owl. They can turn their head incredibly far. Which animal uses its tongue to help detect smell? On target! A snake! Believe it or not, the platypus. Chimpanzee or gorilla? Which one is the heavyweight champion? That's the gorilla. Alright, movie expert, can you crack the emojis and guess the movie? Wonderful! It's Kong, Skull Island. Which animal would surprise you with how well they swim? Surprisingly, tigers! Tigers are excellent swimmers. Which bird can catch some sleep while still flying through the sky? That would be the swift. Which creature is the most dangerous in the world? Watch out! Mosquitoes! They can spread deadly diseases. Who can rest half of its brain while keeping the other half awake? A clever creature, the dolphin. Which animal would happily spend hours relaxing in the water? Aw, it's the capybara. They love relaxing in water. Up we go! It's a mountain goat! Which adorable animal has fingerprints that look surprisingly human? That's the koala! Their fingerprints are surprisingly similar to ours. And that's the end of today's challenge. How many did you get right out of 60? Drop your score in the comments, and let's see if you can beat everyone else. If you had fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more brain-teasing challenges with Quiz Unicorn. Goodbye, everyone!